Hello and welcome. Today we will be talking about what is a breadboard and how a breadboard works. A breadboard, also known as a prototyping board or solderless breadboard, is a device used to build and test electronic circuits without the need for soldering. It provides a platform for quickly and easily connecting electronic components together to create temporary circuits for experimentation, testing, and prototyping purposes. The primary advantage of using a breadboard is its versatility and ease of use for rapid prototyping. It allows for quick and temporary circuit assembly, making it ideal for testing ideas, creating proof-of-concept circuits, and experimenting with different configurations. Components can be easily inserted, moved, or removed without causing any permanent damage to the circuit or the components themselves. Typically, a breadboard consists of a flat plastic board with a grid of interconnected metal strips. These strips are arranged in rows and columns, with each hole in the board connected to others in the same row or column. The rows are usually labeled with numbers, while the columns are labeled with letters, forming a reference grid. The breadboard contains multiple sets of shorter rows called bus strips. These strips are interconnected in columns and are used for creating connections between electronic components. Each row in the bus strips is typically electrically isolated from its neighboring rows, allowing for multiple independent circuits to be built on the same breadboard. The bus strips, usually located in the center of the board, are shorter rows of interconnected holes. These strips allow for the creation of connections between electronic components. To use a breadboard, electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, integrated circuits, and wires are inserted into the holes. The component leads or wires are placed into the desired holes, establishing electrical connections. The interconnected metal strips beneath the holes make electrical connections between components. When a component is inserted into a hole, its lead makes contact with the metal strip below, creating an electrical connection. Multiple components can be connected by placing their leads into appropriate holes on the same row or column. Breadboards are widely used in electronics prototyping, educational settings, and hobbyist projects. They provide a convenient way to experiment with and test circuits, allowing for easy modification and rearrangement of components. Since no soldering is required, components can be easily removed and reused, making breadboards a flexible and reusable tool for circuit development. Thank you for watching.